Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Cryptocurrency group pro charts. How's everyone doing? Hope you guys doing pretty good. We're looking at NVIDIA. NVIDIA didn't look good at all on Friday. Last Friday, NVIDIA disappointed us. And let's zoom right into this chart here. You can see where I have the resistance box here. I had to break through this resistance. This is where most of the volume is. And it's been knocking it down for the last several days. You can see where try to break through this box and it got shot down. Try to break through, got knocked down. Folks, knocked down. A lot of solid pressure here. Doesn't want to get NVIDIA to advance into the 140 mark, into the 140. So we do have the support line here at 132, which back here I've been respecting this line. So this is a strong support line at 132.01. You can see right here where it bounced off and it shot up. At this point here, it got all the way up to 147.10. 147.10. And let's draw another line right here for resistance, because this is where it got nailed. So right here, this candle here, resistance. There you go. Resistance right here, got knocked down. Found support right at 132, 132.01. You can see the trend line. This is the yellow one, is the 50. And you can see where it found support here. Found support here. Broke through the 50, resistance, and then shot up. Shot up all the way up here. Found support at this 50 here. Now it's just below that 50 on a closed Friday. It's below it. We want to see NVIDIA. We want to see this close above the 50. So now we got selling pressure. You see right here, selling pressure. Because it's closed below the 50. So NVIDIA is not looking good for Monday morning. That's my outlook right now for NVIDIA. Let's look at the 4-hour chart. And wow, look at the selling pressure here on Friday. The Friday afternoon, it got a little weak, but a lot came in the morning time right here. A lot. Wow. So you can see where the momentum is fading off here. The buying momentum's fading off. So 132 found support. It's bounced off. And 134, that's where we close. 134. You can see where our 50 is and see how far away we are from that 50. We're looking at the CH20 chart. The CH20 chart. You can see I have all these lines. All these lines mean something. 151. You can see back there we broke through this upper trend line, found resistance right here at this point here and knocked it down. 133.46 on this chart, 133.46 on CH20 chart. Found support, but couldn't get above the 50 here. Couldn't get above the 50. And the weighted volume right here, this weighted volume, it knocked it down as well. And you can barely see it, but his weighted volume is ticking down. The buying pressure, you can see where it's ticking down. That means the buying pressure is fading away and the sellers are in the market on this weighted volume. And we need to see some action on the 50 here. We had reaction, but we got resistance on it. We got 618, 126. 126 for support for NVIDIA. It wants to fall through and break through this support line here at 134.22. This is your next support line, 126.38. Your final support is 121.81. 121.81 will be your final support line on this chart right here, CH20 chart. I'm on my trading chart here, and this is where I do all my trades on this chart. So you're not seeing a lot that I have going on here. But you can see I draw this line right up here at 146.49 for resistance. Got knocked down right to 132.47. 132.47. We got this support line here at 130. 130 for support line. And this is going back here for this breakout right here. See the candle? This is breakout. Breakout candle. Broke through this 130.03. So on this chart here, 130.03 needs to find support. It's Monday morning. Needs to find support here on Monday. This is a total different chart. This is where I do all my trades on this chart. So it's tight. I get it more tight into almost to the dollar. So tomorrow we're looking at NVIDIA trying to find support at 130.03, 130.03. And we're back at the CH21 chart. CH21. This is where I did a video last week on it, or maybe even 2 weeks ago. My head and shoulders, where I had the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder right here. Saying this is the neckline. Had to break the neckline. And target price is 113 on the head and shoulders. 113. So far, this head and shoulders is playing out. It's working. It's working its magic. Working its magic. You can see here's the 50 right here. It broke through the close below the 50. The 20 showing resistance at the 20. A lot of bearish momentum here. You can see the candle right here. Bearish momentum on a Friday. Bearish for a Friday. And it's sitting at 134.25 as we speak. 124.35. And let's see what the indicator telling us. The RSI, you can see at RSI, it's falling. It's falling below. It's below the 50. So it's showing bearish momentum here. Bearish momentum on the RSI. On the OBV, you can see the OBV. It turned red on us, and it's bearish. It's below the zero, indicating the bearish momentum. DMI, right down here. DMI, we have the cross right here. The bearish cross right here. This is the word that got bearish on us, folks. You guys were paying attention. This cross right here is the bearish move. It was at this candle. It crossed the blue. The blue's falling down. Positive momentum's falling down. The buying pressure, we're losing the buying pressure here. And the selling red. The selling pressure came into market. That's where the next day you can see where we fall. And this is where we're at on the CH20 chart. So these indicators indicating bearish momentum for NVIDIA. The candle showing bearish momentum for NVIDIA. We broke the neckline. Right here, we closed below the neckline, so everything's telling me NVIDIA is coming down for Monday morning. Ladies and gents, 113.63 for NVIDIA, 113.63. All right, ladies and gents, that's all I got for you in this video. Please hit that like button. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment below. And please hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great day.